Hello, thank you for coming to my channel. My name is Joanne and I have 15 data entry work from home jobs that you can start making money as soon as tomorrow. 15 data entry work from home jobs, and I have one that you can make $1,000 a week. I'm gonna start off with number one. Is called Santander. I know y'all familiar with that. It's Santander Bank, and this is in Park, New Jersey, Florham Park, New Jersey. Manage corporate records as well as handle customers' requests as well as inquiries. Two is in electronics in Brooklyn, New York. Support associates $18 to $22 an hour. Provide remote tech support to customers via phone, email, and screen sharing, like face-to-face on time, face-to-face screen sharing software. Number three is called InfoCision Management Corporation, and this is in Atlanta, Georgia. Paid training. They will pay you for training, weekly pay, and weekly bonuses and medical benefits for this position. That's pretty cool. And that's called InfoCision Management. They will pay you paid training, weekly pay. You get a weekly pay, and you get bonuses and medical benefits. I had to say that again because that sounds really, really good. And this is in Atlanta, Georgia. If you just even considering trying to make some passive income, some side hustle information, how to make side hustles, and a legitimate survey sites where you can make daily cash payouts. Consider subscribing to the channel, and you can see what videos I have available for you right now as we speak. I have a bunch of them, like over 100, at least 160, 170 videos to 170 videos you can check out right now and see what I have. Okay. Number four is called Centauri Health Solution. You can work anywhere in the United States with this position. And don't forget to share the video and help somebody out, as I hope that I'm helping you out. I hope that any of these 15 jobs can help you out. 15 work from home jobs that can help you out in your endeavors. That's the Centauri. You can work anywhere in the United States with this one. And this is called a remote coder. $32 an hour. And you're going to be a coder. You need 2 years in adjustment coding. Work authorization. In order for you to have this job, you have to have a work authorization to work in the U.S. only. Number five is called EverSeal Roofing, Kansas City, Missouri. Phone sales, $75,000 a year. So it's 1 year of phone sales experience that you need. You get bonuses and commission on top of your base pay, which is $75,000 a year. Number six is called Texas Realtor Associates, and this is in Houston, Texas. Virtual receptionist. You can make $2,000 a week, from $1,500 to $2,000 a week. Answer all incoming calls, provide accurate information and excellent customer service to clients, and directing calls to the appropriate personnel. That's all you have to do. You can make up to $2,000 a week. Seven is called Aira. This is an Aira is an agent, remote, $15 an hour. Must have your own computer, no tablets. A personal computer, laptop, desktop, no tablets, and no cell phone, unfortunately. And it's not compatible with Chromebooks or Androids. And you gotta have a good internet connection. Number 8, that was number 7. Number 8 is called TNR, used auto in Dallas, Texas. Social media specialist. You can make this, the one I was talking about when I first started my video, you can make up to $1,000 a week, from $750 to $1,000 a week. Work from home and make your own schedule. This is a part-time position, no experience needed, and they will train you. They will actually train you for this position. This is in Dallas, Texas. So if you live in the area of Dallas, Texas, click on the link and start working. Number 9 is called For Sale by Inventor. Remote sales bilingual required, $12 to $17 an hour. Constant daily call schedule. It's a constant daily call schedule. Demonstrate strong skills and confidence. You got to have confidence on the phone. That a lot of people don't have that. But I'm quite sure, like 99.9% sure you're like that. As I said before, don't forget to share the video, just in case you might know somebody. You might know somebody that might need a work from home job, need to make some money today. So share the video to friends, families, cousins, sisters, in-laws that might need a job. Number 10 is called ThinkDirect, and this is in Pennsylvania. Sales agent, $15 to $22 an hour. Paid time off, paid holidays, health, dental, and a 401k. And they will match it. Whatever you put into your 401k, they will match it. You put 400, they put 400. That is awesome. That's freaking awesome. And you can make from $15 to $22 an hour. Number 11 is called Lead Prospector, and this is in Champaign, Illinois. Virtual sales rep. You can make $100,000 a year. Manage of a basic sales pipeline CRM each day. You will update and manage the CRM notes and call sheets. Number 12 is called Rev.com, New York City. They always hiring. Rev.com. They stay hiring. Audio transcription is $14.95 a month. $1,495 a month you can actually make up to, which is pretty good. Earn 40 cents to 65 cents per audio minute. Work from home whenever you want. You can make your own schedule. Number 13 is called eBay Inc., Baton Rouge, Louisiana. Home rep, $12.15 an hour. Support eBay buyers on matters regarding site navigation, account setup, and inquiries, payments, and other general questions that they might have. So that's going to be your job description. You can make up to $12.50 an hour. Number 14 is called Southern Roots, and this is Sikeston, Missouri. Customer service rep, $9 to $14.50 an hour. Manage incoming calls and service inquiries. Number 15 is called BMI Audit Service. Customer service rep, you can make up to $20 an hour. Receive, monitor, and track all calls. That's going to be your job description. That's all you have to do. And if you're interested in any of these 15 data entry work from home jobs, I'll put the link on the bottom, and you click on the link and you start the process. Just click on the link, start the process, and do what you have to do so you can get this job. You can start making money as soon as tomorrow. Well, it's the weekend, so Monday, as soon as Monday. Okay, so I just wanted to bring these to you. If you're thinking about even not just data entry job, if you're thinking about making some extra money with some survey sites, or if you're thinking about some side jobs, I got the videos. And if you even just consider subscribing to the channel and see what I have available for you, because I have videos right now as we speak for you to check out. So with that being said, I want to say thank you for coming to my channel and not crossing over my face. I appreciate you and thank you so much. God bless and be safe in these streets. Until next time, bye-bye for now.